everyone is doing safe and great. Wishing you a very happy Diwali. So today's video is all about LinkedIn. So what is LinkedIn? So LinkedIn is basically a application. It's available in mobile and even PCs. So it is actually a American based multinational company. So it's a platform where professionals connect. So it is more of a career development platform, or you can say job seeking platform, where many people across the world share CVs, and they come to know a lot of things which is going on in the professional world. So this is a great platform which is really necessary for everyone out there. So why to use LinkedIn? So basically it is very invaluable tool for connecting with industry mentors, and it's a great service platform where many people are up to date with the industry news, like what are the new skills in the market, what all things need to be updated with respect to their career aspects. So that's why LinkedIn is really a very helpful tool. It's a great resource for students, especially who are in their first year of their university or college. So they can start building contacts with industry mentors, and they can even find job alerts, and companies may find their profile interesting, and they can start preparing for interviews. So it is more like a professional social media. But nowadays what is happening is LinkedIn is more of becoming like Facebook and Instagram. But still I feel that if we use LinkedIn with respect to our professional aspects, I think it's a great resource that everyone should have. So how to start using LinkedIn is, it's very simple. So you need just your Gmail ID. With the help of your Gmail ID, you will be able to log into it. So there is even a premium version of LinkedIn, but I'll not be discussing about that, because as a beginner, it is best that we start with the free version, that is log in with your Gmail ID, and then you can give your details. So I'll be showing it everything in the next clip. So the LinkedIn application you can either open in your desktop PC, or you can have an app installed to it. So I do have an app, so automatically I have logged in. So as soon as you log in with your Gmail ID, so it will give you a lot of things to update. Okay, so what are the main things you need to update in your profile is, the first thing is you need to have your about section. Okay, about can be anything about yourself. So what are the skills you have learned, and what is your qualification, or what are you looking for. And then you can write, suppose if you are working, then you can give your experience. If you're a student, then you should write your education qualification. So just like what we update in our CVs, you need to write the same thing. And then any licenses or certifications, whatever you have done, like Coursera, NPTEL, Microsoft, so you can give those updates also. And then suppose if you are a volunteer, then you volunteered in any of the events, so you can give that. And here you can just mention your skills, what are the skills you endorse, and then the languages, what all languages you know. So this is how you need to update. So these are the main important things, and you need to even update the CV. So you'll be having the CV option, the resume, so you need to update the CV also. So this is the main thing, the first thing which you have to do. So after doing it, what you'll understand is, in my network tag, you'll be getting a lot of people. So you can, accordingly, you can send connection request. Suppose if you are interested in graphic designer, so look for people who are a graphic designer. Same way, any profession, so you need any profession or any designation, whatever you want. So you need to just type, and you'll be getting a lot of people. Okay, so you can see here many people do have their pet niche, content writer. So these are nothing but their tagline. Okay, not the tagline, or you can say their profession. So with the help of those words, you'll be able to uh, get updates from those people. Suppose if you're a graphic designer, if you send a request to your graphic designers across the network, so you'll be getting updates about it, any openings, any job alerts, or you can even DM them. So like a direct message in Instagram, you can even DM them and ask them about it. So that's why it is a really great platform. So there is one more thing, one more tab, which is jobs. So here you will be getting updates regarding the job openings. Uh, so this is a kind of, I would say, it is a job. This tab is most important for people who are experienced, like people who do have experience, because a lot of here mostly for freshers you do get jobs, but they are very few, which I have experienced from past 2 to 3 years. Suppose if you are an experienced candidate and you are a, let's say, graphic designer, and you are looking for a job in Bangalore, so you do get, these are the openings in Myntra, in visual design, in Google, in Gojek. These are the companies who are having their openings with respect to the graphic designer. So let's say when you click on one, so you'll understand here what is the role, what is it, where is the location, and what experience are they looking for. It is 4 to 8 years. They do give their job responsibilities, their qualifications, skills, whatever they need. So you can just click on the apply now button. So as soon as you click on the apply now button, so you'll be directed to the resume page, and you can just submit it. So this is one of the important feature, that is apply easily. So you can see here it's written apply easily. So apply easily, what it does is automatically whatever you have updated in your CV, that gets submitted to the company. So likewise, one more way is so there is no apply now, apply easily feature. So then it will automatically direct it to the Myntra. This is the Myntra job application portal. So these are the two ways of applying it. And you do have certain filters. So just like your Amazon shopping e-commerce website, you do have a features like the date posted. So past month, suppose I need past month, what all companies have openings with respect to the graphic designer job. So I will be getting the list of the companies. Suppose I even want to apply a filter for experience level. Suppose I am a mid-senior level, so I'll be getting the jobs with respect to that. So these are nothing but the filters. On-site or remote, you want on-site, remote, or hybrid, or is it easy apply option. So just now I explained you about the easy apply option. So this is how it works. So it's a great platform, I would say. It's a really great platform. So only thing is you need to start building networks. So how the network should be in such a way that, suppose if you are a student, then you should have connection requests. You should have people who are your seniors. Okay, who are your seniors who are working in different companies. And one more thing is you should have your juniors also, because if your juniors always look up to you, right? So that is one more thing. And you can even have people who do inspire you, like a role model. You do have a lot of people in LinkedIn, so they will be posting a lot of stuff, just like any Facebook or Instagram. So there are some interview experiences. They do share a lot of life stories, which is really good, I would say. So yeah, so you can see here there's one opening in Light Mentor. So they're looking for trainers in UI UX. So you can email your profiles to these email ID. So this is how it works, and it's a must tool for all the students out there, and not even students, for all the professionals also. Yeah. So yeah. So hope you like this video, and do mention in the comment section if you are facing any problem while accessing LinkedIn, or if there are any doubts. I would definitely clarify it or make one more full-fledged video regarding the working of LinkedIn. So please keep supporting, spread love, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for more updates. Bye.